Founded in 2019, GROWSFIBER is committed to the innovative development and manufacturing of high-quality passive optical devices in the 5G era. The company's core goal is to create the industry's most reliable and compact passive optical devices. GROWSFIBER's main products for 5G optical networks include filter-based passive wavelength division multiplexing WDM devices, micro-optical devices, Athermal Arrayed Waveguide Gratings, optical amplifiers, optical switches, etc. Fully matching 5G fronthaul and backhaul optical networks. For 5G fronthaul passive WDM solutions, GROWSFIBER's main products are CWDM, MWDM, LWDM, DWDM 5G AAWG with blade or mini LGX module packaging, which supports 6 and 12 wavelength single-fiber bidirectional transmission. For 5G fronthaul semi-active WDM solutions, GROWSFIBER mainly provides a series of product portfolios including mini mechanical optical switches, mini MEMS optical switches, mini optical isolators, mini tap PD, and compact CWDM, CCWDM passive modules. For 5G backhaul, GROWSFIBER focuses on providing the following products that support DWDM coherent optical networks: filter type TFF, DWDM MUX, DMUX portfolio that includes steel tube single-channel device, ABS module, LGX module, rack mount module, and compact DWDM CDWDM module supporting up to 16 channels. Athermal AAWG portfolio that includes 48-channel AAWG with 100 GHz channel spacing, 96-channel AAWG with 50 GHz channel spacing based on optical interleaver, and 64-channel AAWG module with 75 GHz channel spacing for DCI coherent DWDM interconnection applications in the next-generation 400G data center. DWDM EDFA that ensures stable and reliable output power, optimizes flatness and noise, improves system optical link budget, and facilitates flexible deployment. Multicast switching MCS module under development that is based on PLC and MEMS technologies, using for the next generation ROADM. GROWSFIBER inherits its holding company GIGALIGHT years of precision design and macro-assembly manufacturing capabilities in the field of passive optical devices. It has a micro-optics assembly platform, a MEMS optical device platform, and a photoelectric integrated hybrid technology platform. The company has a complete reliability laboratory and can provide 5G customers with various high-reliability optical devices and subsystems. GROWSFIBER's philosophy is to become a high-speed and stable optical connection bridge in the 5G era. GROWSFIBER, a reliable choice for passive optical devices in the 5G era.